Hello lovelies, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in the unique location of La Manga Del Mar Menor, overlooking two beautiful seas and gorgeous coastline that goes on for miles. This particular location is overlooking the Mar Menor, which is Europe's largest saltwater lagoon, and the Mediterranean Sea. The developer that will be featuring the properties of today is offering 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartments within this urbanisation. Newly built, this one will be from €286,000 and also 51 square metres. So it will be this building right here, and we will be showing you a show house today. So let's begin the tour. Hello, so coming in through the front door, I'm coming through a security robust door into what is a beachy, coastal, warm, bright and beautifully decorated living space. This is an open plan living room, dining room and kitchen that has a ceiling height of 2.7 metres and the space altogether is 71 square metres. As you can see, the specifications of the living space are quite high. You have these patio doors that can give you an unrivaled views not only of the beach and also the Mediterranean Sea. You can also get to enjoy how close you are, and these doors are good quality doors in the sense that they are Technal, so they give you anti-glare, they also blot out noise, and they also give you that comfort of opening and shutting easily. Here I am stood in the heart of the home in the dining space that leads to the living area. The dining area is in the centre of the space and it has a dining table here that is set to dine 6. Overlooking it, you have this lovely integration with your shelving here, and then they have clever lid on it so that you have a separation whilst maintaining open your living space. This is a very comfortable and very inviting area. As you can see, the specifications are also quite high. You have LED accents in the ceiling and also in the walls, and you also have air conditioning and a smart home system should you need it. Coming over the way to the kitchen space, I also really love the colour palette that they've chosen here too. Continuing on with the champagne, the sand and also the lovely coastal colours, the kitchen also features a central island. On one side you have your breakfast bar set to dine 3. In the middle you have your Siemens cooking hob, and then you also have continuation of cabinetry behind. Over the way, you also have more counter space. In the corner here, you have your oven and your microwave. On this side, you have your dishwasher. Again, all Siemens. You also have your sink. And in the corner, the refrigerator and also the freezer. What I love as well is they've done an integration with the flooring and given you beautiful natural wooden floors throughout. So now I'm going to take you over the way and show you this storage cupboard here. This is to provide you with extra additional storage, but on one side they have given you there your aerothermic boiler and underneath a spot for the washing machine. The other side will function as a cupboard to store your personal items as you come into the home. So now I'm going to take you along the hall and into the first bedroom. This bedroom is 11 square metres. It has a similar interior feel with very large window on one side letting in plenty of natural light and views. You also have a fitted wardrobe which takes up one wall and a large space there for a bed. Coming out of the first bedroom, it comfortably leads to the main bathroom. This bathroom has a similar interior feel and as you can see is fully equipped. So coming out of that first bathroom, I'm now going to take you along the way through the living space to the other side of the home where you also have additional bedroom. So this would be your second bedroom, and this bedroom is 20 square metres. It is fantastic in the sense that you get that space where you have your bed and a large window, but you also there get your separation with your ensuite bathroom and also your dressing area. You have a continuation here as well of where you would have your air conditioning systems and your smart home system. In each room you have here a monitor. Taking you along now towards where we will find the primary suite. And the primary suite has a similar feel to the previous bedroom. It is also 20 square meters and has a similar interior feel. You have here, though, the difference being your patio doors that lead out onto the terrace and also enable you unrivaled views of the sea. But then you also have your fitted wardrobes, and then leading on from the bedroom space, the separation of a fully equipped, light and beautifully decorated ensuite bathroom. Coming out of the doors of the urbanisation, it doesn't just end there. There are communal spaces for the residents to enjoy all throughout the year. This is the perfect example of what I mean, where you have sun lounging areas, communal swimming pool, and even private access onto the promenade that takes you directly onto the beach. But it doesn't just stop there. There is on site as well a gymnasium with sea views. You also get a sauna, kids play area, and also even a parking space included with the price. But what is fantastic, everybody, and what I can never just get over is the fact that you have this on both sides. You have this beautiful expanse of the Mar Menor and all those beaches to explore. And then on that side you have the Mediterranean too. But the cross-coastal breeze, I don't even need air conditioning. Hello. So this is me coming into the model that offers 2 bedrooms. And as you can see, the specifications are very similar. The level and quality of the design is of a high standard. You have the same features in the sense that you have the same ceiling height of 2.7 meters and a very spacious living area that comprises of your open plan, living, dining and kitchen. What I like here is they've still been able to give you a dining space that's integrated with the central island and also could potentially be as well a type of breakfast table. Here on this side that's different is you have your cooking hob with this integrated extractor already in here, and then you also have on this side your oven and your microwave, and on the other side your refrigerator. They've kept the tone and the palette inside the homes very similar as well, with the coastal, light wood and finishes. But if you notice in the previous model it was gold accents, in this one it is silver. So I'm now taking you into the hall. I'm going to take you to the first bedroom of the 2. This bedroom will be the primary suite. And as you can see there, you have your bedroom space overlooking patio Technal doors that slide open and give you access onto that walkway there. And you also there have as well your ensuite bathroom that is fully equipped. And this one has got a slightly lighter and even brighter palette. Now taking you into the hall, and what I really like about this is they've also again thought about the storage. So here they have put the boiler, your aerothermic boiler, and underneath again there would be space for the washing machine. Along the way, as you continue down the hall, however, you do have more cabinets there for your storage wardrobes. And then it also leads really nicely to the second bedroom. The second bedroom is again spacious, light and bright. You have a large window on one side, and then you also have your integrated wardrobes on the other. And then you have the main bathroom. This main bathroom is fully equipped. This beach is one of the beaches that form in total almost the 42 kilometres of shoreline and coastline and beaches that you get to enjoy in this beautiful location. You also find that you have a fantastic variety of local Mediterranean restaurants, cafes, chiringuitos and bars that line all of La Manga del Mar Menor. And so I am stood at what you would also see as being one of those iconic and well-recommended restaurants right here in this location called Escuela de Pita. Established since 1975, I've had a number of Murcianos now recommend this to be one of the hot spots if you'd like to try the local cuisine. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is for a one-bedroom apartment, €300 per year, for a two-bedroom apartment, €400, and for a three-bedroom apartment, €500 per year. The community fee is approximately €150 per month, and then your refuse is €150 per year. These are stunning apartments in the sense that I love the architectural design and the interior gives you lots of space. Whether you decide to go for 1, 2 or 3 bedrooms, you can use them with no fuss. You are also in great proximity to 2 wonderful beaches and seas, as well as everything that you might need recreationally or otherwise within walking distance. Also, can I just say as well that if you're thinking of investing in an apartment like this and get a good return on something that you're not going to be using all year round, then this is a stunning and very unique location. So if you do like the property, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and also check out the finer details on our website, which is spainhomes.estate. So I'm going to leave you for now. I'm going to jump into that water because it's really, really hot. No doubt I'll see you soon. My name is Nikima and I'll see you next time. Hasta pronto.